Hi there, welcome to our knitting tutorial series. Today I will show you how to cast on. This is the first step in knitting. Let's dive right in. So for this project you will need yarn and also needles. I'm using my bamboo needles. There are different ones outside in the market. About this one, I will create separate video, which is the best to start knitting with. But shortly, that is middle-sized needles with middle-sized yarn, so that it's not too small and not too thick yarn. It will be easier for you to work with. I recommend you to choose bamboo needles. You can start with whatever you have. The process is exactly the same with any needles you use. The casting on is the base of the base for every knitting. So once you get your needles ready and once you get your yarn ready, take the yarn first and make some longer tail with the yarn. Open it like this, like I would say some 30-40 centimeters about, and make 3 extra yarn close to the ball as well. Once that is done, take your yarn around the index finger like I'm showing you in the video, and the yarn where you have a longer tail with your 30-40 centimeters, take it around your thumb like this and fix it with pinky and ring finger, like softly hold the yarn in the place. Yeah, it should look like this. And let me show it to you one more time. Take yarn around your index finger and around your thumb and fix it with pinky and ring finger. And let's take the needles. Take the needles from the front and then take it through the yarn which is coming just lower down your thumb finger, just like this, and take the yarn from the right side, and you will see that you have a knot there where you can pull the yarn through and fix it with your thumb, like tighten to fix the knot and to close the knot. Let's try it one more time. So needles from the front, take the yarn on your thumb finger and you have a knot where you can pull the yarn from the right side like this and take the yarn through the knot and fix the knot, tighten the knot. Ready. Now let's go to the casting on the second stitch. Again, of the yarn which is coming down from your thumb finger, which is just in front of you, and take the yarn from the right and you have a knot where you can take the yarn through, and like this, and again tighten it with your thumb finger, and one more time, taking the yarn from the right and taking through the hole, through the knot, and tighten it with the thumb finger, and make sure that the yarn is sitting nicely and in your arm, that it has free flow, that you are not stopping the yarn with your pinky and ring finger, that the yarn can easily through. Because once you are making one knot, the yarn gets shorter and it comes from the ball and from that tail what we created at the beginning. So you are the yarn is all the time in the movement and it should flow free. So usually the first knot is different, and the other to cast on the other stitches is exactly the same process until you cut it. And it doesn't matter you cast on 10 or 20 or 100 stitches, so the process is the same. At the moment I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stitches. I will cast on until I will have 15 stitches, which is a very good amount of stitches to have to start practicing knitting. I don't recommend to cast on too many, otherwise you will get boring to knit the big piece. Yeah, but if you have just 15 stitches is pretty enough to practice knitting by tone, but at the same time you are also practicing to the textures, the different stitches, and also practicing to make nice sides of the project, which I will teach you in some of the next videos. Here is some yarn pretty long left from the tail we created and saved at the beginning, but usually I prefer to do it pretty long, because sometimes when you cast on many stitches it can suddenly be too short and then you have to start everything from the beginning. So I better secure that I took more yarn and cut it later on, but don't do any cutting right now. Keep it until we get to next video, because you shouldn't cut the tail too short either. So, but this, let's keep it for the next lessons. So basically you are ready to start knitting. One more thing we will do in this video. To start knitting, you need to use both of your needles. So you should pull out or remove one of the needles from the stitches you just casted on. To do that safely, secure the top of the needles with the left hand. I usually use the index finger just to put it on the top of the needle. If some yarn suddenly slips to the side, that it doesn't slip off, that you don't lose any of the stitches you just casted on. Left hand, index finger on the top of the needle, and with the right hand very softly pull out one of the needles. If you cast it on not too hard, it should come out pretty easily. So now you are ready for learning next steps. There you have it. Casting on made easy. Practice this technique and soon you will be ready for more knitting adventures. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe for more tutorials. See you in my next videos.